Welcome back to another OTD unboxing video. Today I have for you the Hot Wheels 2025 Car Culture Team Transport Mix F. So this is the second wave of Team Transport for 2025. You have the numbers in the series. I believe it'll be number 77 through 79. So 3 different sets in here. We'll find out just in a moment which one comes to a case. These came over from One Stop Diecast. Again, thank you, One Stop Diecast, for sending these over. Love having you as a supporter of OrangeTrackDiecast.com and the OTD YouTube channel. Make sure you check out One Stop Diecast for your Team Transport and any other case needs you have. All right, let's pull these out of the case and see just what we have. All right, so this one looks like, all right, first set out of the case. It looks like this one is one to a case. It is number 77, the Audi Sport set. So the Audi Sport Team Transport Audi S4 Quattro coming out the back of the Fleet Flyer. Both are metal flake silver in paint. You have a white kind of what do you call it? The hauler aspect of the hauler. So, but yeah, this is a nice deco on the Audi. It's hard to see kind of with the trailer, but you know the back of the car is in there. You have 04 on the sides. I wonder if that's meant. If this is an 04 Audi, I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, nice set. Obviously, not my favorite in the set though. The other two are definitely worth talking about. So Audi, great for the Audi collectors. Just not a favorite of mine. Oh, hello. All right. Yes. Okay. So this is the 2 to a case set. It is the new casting. Boop, boop, boop. New casting alert. Toyota Soarer came out last year in the Fast and the Furious line. So we see this one again for this, I think, just the second time. That one was in red. This one's in white. You kind of get a kind of like a TRD vintage Toyota kind of look theme here with the striping. But new hauler, the Kosuku hauler. Kosuku hauler? Yes. Kosuku hauler. So this is a brand new hauler. I believe it was designed by Hot Wheels designer Ron Wong. I think it was actually one of his first Team Transports he's designed now that he's on the premium side of things. Get a little ramp that goes down there. You get 2 layers, so you can put a car on top and the bottom, or inside, however you want to phrase it. But yeah, this is, I mean, it's obviously got some Japanese origins to it. You got kind of like that lip on the front, and I love how like the stripe, that Toyota striping goes around it. So, and while we can't say, you know, I can't exactly say Toyota. Oh, I guess, I mean, maybe it is licensed by Toyota. I know it looks like it's kind of skirting it, but maybe it's just a white deco here. But it does say on the license plate, it does say toy. Hot Wheels toy. I'm not sure if it's meant as a, maybe it's a double entendre with the Hot Wheels being a toy and then Toyota. But very cool hauler. Kind of got a little like an aerodynamic aero kit on it. And yeah, I'm just checking this out for the first time. So it's really cool to have a new hauler. I mean, I love these haulers. These haulers, since this line came out, have just been really cool. Just cool to see and display different cars on them differently. And this one is no different. Metal base on there. You can see the metal base. Yeah, just a nice white. And we've seen this theme before, this kind of this vintage striping, Toyota striping. So you really, I mean, there's a handful of cars that you could put on this Team Transport and create a nice little theme set. So very cool. I'm going to add this one to the new models list on OrangeTrackDiecast.com. The Kosuku hauler. Wow. All right, cool. Yeah, so just this, I mean, these are hitting stores now. Obviously, I got this from One Stop Diecast, so they're hitting One Stop Diecast now and hobby dealers. Right before I started filming this video, I popped on to see what was happening locally, and I saw that these are popping up at Target and Walmart locally here in Arizona. So definitely, if you haven't found these already, they are imminent. All right, last set out of the case. This is number 78. The Kasuku hauler was $79. So this is Team DeLorean. First time I saw this was at the convention last October. We saw a sneak peek of it. Obviously, being a DeLorean collector, I am excited for this one, or was excited. Now that I have it, I'm pretty stoked. And yeah, so we got like a Team DeLorean race team here. Obviously, got the 81 DeLorean DMC 12, the HW Rally hauler in a matching Team DeLorean deco. The unlicensed van here with the roof rack, with the trailer, and I can't remember. This might be the first time. No, I'm looking right at it. We have another black. I was thinking it was the first time we saw the black rally trailer on here, but we did have another black rally trailer in a previous set. I actually have it set up in a display in my cabinet just above what I'm filming. So, but DeLorean in premium. It's kind of nice to see a DeLorean premium that isn't, I love the, the bare metal look, the Zamac finish on the DeLorean. But it's nice to have kind of a race team DeLorean for a change, something different. And it feels like this is a deco you would have possibly seen had DeLoreans been rally cars, right? I mean, I can't think of a DeLorean ever being a rally car, but this one seems legit. And obviously you got to love the little nod here to Back to the Future with the number 88 miles an hour. Obviously, ties into the fact that, you could time travel at 88 miles an hour, hence the 88 here. So that is it. That is your Team Transport Mix 2 F case. Here we go. FLF56. If you're seeing this in the store, the F case is designated right there. So that is your F case. Let's talk in the comments. As always, let me know what you think. I mean, pretty great set here. Not very colorful by any means. Definitely a lot of white here. So if you're looking at the pegs, it may look a little bland. But as always, we have that terrific card art. And yeah, I think all of them are kind of at dusk too, right? Yeah, dusk. That one, snow, but dusk at the same time as well. So yeah, let me know. Let's talk in the comments, and we'll go from there. Thanks for watching.